All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of off-whites, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, I'm going to have to give it to Syphilis by Juice WRLD. And man, this is like the perfect hype song. Like, I've been listening to it like so much for like the past week. Go listen to it. It's really slept on. I feel like a lot of people don't really listen to this one just because it's not one of his more popular, like, sadder songs. But yeah, go listen to it. Perfect hype song. I believe it also sounds very similar to Look At Me, which is another perfect hype song. So yeah, go listen to it, and let's actually get into these off-whites. Okay, so looking at the box, it's actually just like the other off-white dunks. It's just a regular like silver box with a bunch of holes in it. And let me actually spin it around for you guys. Got these on Sneakers app. I believe I paid $206 for these after tax and shipping. Obviously that will vary depending on where you live. I got a size 9.5, retail was $190. And I recommend going true to size. I should have gone true to size on these, but for some reason I actually thought this was like an SB or something when I didn't really do too much research on it, and I thought it was an SB, not just like a dunk low. So I got a size 9.5, which is a little bit too big. So yeah, just go regular true to size. I'm a true to size 9, so I recommend getting your true to size. And the bottom of the box is just all, oh, you can see me, yeah, it's just gray, or not gray, but like silver. And I've actually already seen the shoes because I already filmed the on foot portion of this and I forgot to record this part. But basically this shoe is actually it's okay. It's okay. Like, I was actually kind of hating on this shoe because when I first saw like pictures of it, I thought it was really ugly. Like, I really thought it was like ugly and stuff, but after looking at it more and more and like actually filming them on feet, I don't know, man. I kind of like them, just a little bit. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these yet or not. I probably am not. I might sell them because I did get them for retail. They're going for around $350, but I do feel like if you hold this shoe for a couple, like, I don't know, maybe 6 months to a year, this will definitely be like a $500-600 shoe by then. I could definitely see it going up and up and up, just because I believe it's the first shoe that Virgil Abloh actually, like, what's it called, he like designed it by himself. I believe he didn't like take like a Jordan 1 and then create his own like design on it. Like, he actually made the shoe, I believe. I don't know if that's true, but that's just what I've been hearing. And just so you guys know, for legit checking purposes, it does come with 2 tags, one right there, one right there. Let me show you. And another thing that they did was they actually put the Nike Air, which I thought was kind of cool. And something weird is this part right here. This was actually based on a certain shoe, but I forgot what exactly. I don't really like this part. I don't know why. And in case you guys did not know, this shoe is actually meant for skateboarding. So that's why there's like a bunch of like leather, this like hard material right there. I don't know if you can hear it too well, but like it's like hard rubber. This part is leather. Then the rest is just pretty much all mesh. Quality, it's okay. They are pretty comfortable though, I will say that. The tongue, this is my favorite part about the whole shoe, the tongue. I really love the tongue. I love how it's exposed. I like how it's like all nice and squishy. It's not like an SB, it's not like as fat and like thick as that one, but it is pretty decent. It's like a dunk, but just a little bit more squishy. Nike Air. Oh, this is actually like not a suede, but like kind of like a nubuck. So that's what it is. And again, this shoe was meant to be skateboarded in, so I don't skate, but if you do skateboard, I feel like this shoe would actually be like one of the best shoes out on the market. It doesn't have to specifically be the off-white one. It could be just like a regular rubber dunk, but I feel like this shoe would actually be really good. And obviously the shoelaces say shoelaces. I also really like this part right here, Nike Off. And the lacing system is a little bit like different. You can see there's like a little like part right here that's like nubuck / suede. And here, let me show you guys the shoe alone. Overall, for me, I think the shoe is okay. Nothing like too crazy, I guess. It will go up over time. Oh, and another thing is you can like move the swoosh and everything right there, especially right here too. Obviously, we have the off-white writing that's like on every single off-white shoe. Oh, I almost dropped it. You saw that? But yeah. See the air bubble? Overall, it's pretty decent. Bruh, just let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comments. Let me know if you guys like them. Let me know if you guys are planning on picking them up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It's right there. And let's take a look at these on feet.